Okay, I don't know how well you can see this, but there's lots of birds up there. Okay, are you ready, Dora?
Yeah.
Do it.
God damn.
You're not giving it.
Oh, I think she called him. Oh, shit, she called him the wrong way.
Bitches are over there.
They're over here, too, fuckers.
What is bitch?
I can't put that on MySpace. Oh my God, she's calling them back.
They're circling the house.
Does it call him back? No, wouldn't that be like...
These are some fearless fucking birds.
Nikki, come out and do your fucking pigeon